Aloha! Let's check out Waipuna together. It's located in the heart of Waikiki, just a few blocks away from the beach. My client insisted on looking at this unit because she was drawn to the views. It is on the 34th floor, and you can see the alawai. Below us is a pond, and obviously a huge amount of ocean view, including Diamond Head. The kitchen, while livable and functional, makes me say, ah! As well as pretty much every other feature in this house, to include this wallpaper. I don't know why there's holes in it. Shaka, hello, it's me. And oh my goodness, linoleum needs to go. So definitely this place is a little tired and could use some TLC, but for the person who has the right vision, this can be an amazing home. And let me just point out, this is your view from your master bedroom.